Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Rawat and welcome to my channel AR Vlogs once again. And thanks for watching all the previous videos, and thanks for liking, commenting, sharing, and thanks for subscribing. So today is a special video where I'm gonna bring you and I'm gonna unbox a new Sjcam 6 Legend action camera which I've got it from Sjcam. This is not an endorsement of any kind. I just want to review and see want to tell you my first impressions about that camera. I haven't recorded anything as of now. Let me give you a little bit of background on this action camera. When I started vlogging 2.5 months back, I didn't have money to buy a good quality action camera. So when I say good quality, it is Sjcam or GoPro. Now these cameras are way beyond 20,000. Sjcam is something around 11 to 16,000. So I didn't have that money and I don't wanted to spend that much on the camera. So I bought a camera which is called Procus. It's a Chinese brand and it doesn't support external mic. So you must have seen my last video where I exclusively mentioned that I did a little bit of tweak on that camera by inserting an external microphone, and I had to go to Chandni Chowk and there was one guy who did that. The action camera was perfectly fine. I used it for my vlogs of my trip to Delhi to Kufri and back, but about 5 days back when I opened that camera, it just stopped working. The camera is opening but the display is not coming, so that's some technical issue, but I'm not able to use that camera for any kind of vlogs or recording. But I have this new camera now and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys and tell you some specifications. And well, I've unboxed it once just to test whether the camera is working or not. And guys, the display quality on this particular Sjcam is phenomenal. And I've seen the quality of GoPro and Sjcam, and my personal recommendation would be, I think it is better to invest in Sjcam than GoPro because of the costing. GoPro is gonna cost you more as compared to Sjcam. It's gonna give you the same quality. The camera, how it looks like, the design of Sjcam is just awesome. Probably one of the best cameras I've ever seen. The camera body is completely rubberized to improve the grip. It also comes with a protective lens so that you don't damage the lens. It comes a tripod holder as well, so you can mount it on a tripod to shoot awesome videos. This is the Sjcam battery. It's an original battery, 1100 mAh battery, which comes along with the Sjcam. But my recommendation would be that if you're shooting using this Sjcam for motor vlogging, might as well buy one more extra battery. Let me switch it on for you. This, I don't know if the camera is doing the justice to the quality, but hands-on, when I'm seeing it, the camera clarity is pretty much fantastic. It shoots in 4K as well with 30 FPS, which is frames per second. That's the front side of the camera. It's got a dual LCD screen. You can actually see if your video is getting recorded. The back of the screen is fully digital. and touch screen, so you can just navigate along and change all your settings. It's got multiple settings. You can shoot underwater as well to loop the videos, and uh, the the camera clarity is, it's pretty fantastic. So overall, it's a good package. I'm really happy with the product, especially as I mentioned before that it is not. It is better to have this, as don't have to actually get a GoPro, because GoPro is pretty expensive as compared to Sjcam. So my recommendation would be people who are into YouTube vlogging, just go for this cam. And as usual, guys, Sjcam fills the box with a lot of accessories, and as you can see, uh, there are different mounts and different products which comes along with the box, which includes a camera, a waterproof case, a plastic frame, a rotating curved mount, a flat mount, one curved mount for the motorcycle, one curved mount for the motorcycle handlebar, a couple of screws, one wire, couple of stickers, and a manual. The yellow one is the floating stick if you want to use Sjcam underwater with the waterproof housing. So these all accessories are pretty much necessary, and they are of good quality, brilliant quality. Right, so that was the intensive review for Sjcam and the Sjcam microphone. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, if you're planning to buy this particular camera, let me know, and I might be able to answer some questions around it. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know by commenting down below. People who haven't subscribed, I think you should go and subscribe to my channel.